I am Ramagalla Devender. I am working in a government organization. I am put up at Nampally. So recently I purchased this Bolero Neo N10. That is a high-end car, which is I think it's a crossbreed. Actually, there are other brands which give you the same features, but the cost, that is cost of those cars, is almost 5 to 6 lakhs more than this. So this is the advantage I found in this. And I think it's a good car with a robust look. And actually there was another car which I wanted to have, that is TUV 300. But TUV 300, I think they have stopped it and they have modified this. So this is a modified version, and it's I think better than TUV as per the looks. I think the look from the front is very good. So, and one more advantage what I wanted is the clearance, road clearance, and the seating arrangement. That is, I wanted a car which is easy to step onto. So that these are the reasons which due to which I purchased this car. So I thank all the marketing executives and all the staff here who have cooperated well, and I thank Mahindra for giving us a good car. Thank you.